Hey guys, it's Pete from NUTLEY Kia here. I'm going to show you the brand new 2018 Kia Stinger. The one we have here is the GT2, which is the top of the line for this one. It's going to come standard with the 3.3 twin turbo 6-cylinder engine that puts out 365 horsepower and 376 pounds of torque. Then you come down here, you see you have a nice headlight design with HIDs with head beam assist and a quad dual LED strip that leads right into the famous signature tiger nose grille. Come over to here, you see these are the standard GT2 rims. They come available 19 or 18 inch, and you see a nice big red brake caliper. They come standard with Brembo brakes. Nice belt line of the vehicle. Generous amount of second row, considering it is a Gran Turismo. When you come to the back here, so you have the nice badging. Available all-wheel drive. It has the quad exhaust system. The GT2 also comes standard with the power deck lid. So one touch goes up, one touch down. Inside storage area, you get a generous amount of storage area in here with the spare tire underneath. And then underneath the spare tire is the battery of the vehicle. Again, one touch deck lid. And if you look here, you have unique LED rear tail lights designed for your safety in mind. And then we come around here. We get in. First thing you notice is the comfortability. It is genuine Napa leather inside. And a slew of upgrades, amenities that come with the GT2. You're going to get heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, Harman Kardon radio system with Clarify. You're going to get an 8-inch premium navigation system that is fully voice activated. Plenty of power points for all your electronic needs, cell phone. Also standard on the GT2, you're going to get the ADAS, which stands for Advanced Driver Assist System. You're going to get forward collision warning, lane keeping warning and assist, blind spot detection with collision detection, cross traffic alert front and back, smart cruise control, and a very new feature to Kia. It has the driver sleepiness warning system to see if you get drowsy while you're driving. It'll notify you. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. I hope you learned a little bit about the Kia Stinger. Again, my name is Pete, and come on down to NUTLEY Kia and you can take yourself a test drive. Have a good one.